Today we have here Ratliff's Paranormal Investigations. They are on a mission to get photographic evidence of some paranormal activity. I went on an investigation with Brett and Kate, and we went to an old house. And I've actually driven past this house since I was a child, and we always would joke about, oh, it's haunted, or here we go. Gorgeous. Look at that view. Can you tell us a little bit about that house that we went to?
Like Sarah, I've always driven by it too since I was a child, and it's always caught my attention. But the information we gather so far about the place, because when I first started going there, I didn't really know nothing about it. And then we met a lady that joined our group as well named Teresa, and she was kind of our intel person, so she gathered up a lot of the information about the place. Livingston Snow, he's the murderer that took place there. He killed his sister and brother-in-law. Which is Jamie Scotia Branch and Lee Branch. And they died on December 17th.
1937.
Yeah, 1937. At 8:15 a.m.
Are Jamie or Lee or Livingston or Dr. Snow with us tonight?
And supposedly it took place in the kitchen area.
This is where we got this action from.
Yeah, if y'all wanna, we can grab chairs too. There's some extra chairs.
Well, one night we caught stuff on our equipment, of course, our REM pod and our EMF readers, and then also banging on different types of windows downstairs. And then one night around 10:30 upstairs, we were up there and we heard a full-blown audible argument downstairs. It sounded like a man and another man arguing about something. And then after that happened, right to the room upstairs next to us, a loud banging noise just went off, and scratching and all that kind of stuff. So definitely there was, I guess, a lot of argument back then in this house, or might be due to the murder situation.
That would be me in there just freaking myself out repeatedly.
That'd be me too. My imagination's too wild.
Like, I was fine with a group. I can't imagine, like, the house we were in, like, being in it by myself. I absolutely would be terrified, I think. But
yeah, I don't
like,
think you and I could go do anything like that.
Yeah, not me and you together.
No, we'd be hyping each other up. It'd be too much.
Right.